set up ready for the dance shoot that I'm going to be doing right now. So ये वाला area I am planning to shoot. I am currently right now making the setup for the dance video that I'm going to be shooting over here. Also, I am having the avocado shake that I had yesterday night. So good and refreshing. I don't know if I gave like a proper review. इसमें थोड़ा sugar है ज़्यादा कल से comparatively, but it's so refreshing and so good. Like you don't even have to eat anything after drinking this. It's that heavy. Personally, जिनको avocado toast नहीं पसंद और avocado का general taste, if you dislike it, I think you're definitely gonna love this one. I'm gonna shoot अभी quickly. I don't want to waste time. Shoot po. Shoot no. Today we are making air fried chicken. Roast chicken. So I have made this recipe before as well, which was the Farah Khan's roast chicken recipe, which was quite good. Obviously you add your own tadka the more number of times you start making. So this time I'm making it with some chicken seasoning and we're going to be air frying it, which means it's going to be super healthy. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you how we're going to make it. Okay, so we're going to start with olive oil, a bit of salt. I'm going to be using black pepper. Then I'm going to be adding this, which is this chicken seasoning. If you do not have this, you can also crush black pepper, akkha black pepper, and then you can add it. Additionally, I'm also adding red chili flakes, some ginger garlic paste, and then lemon. Starting with a butter paper. $180 पे ना for 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so now I am gonna go to the mall, Avenues Mall. So I thought before going, I'll just quickly show you the products that I got yesterday. Like first is from the brand Essence. So I got their skin tint, a blush and a lipstick. So I have already used the skin tint. Now it gives you a light to medium kind of coverage, which is not bad actually, because I use the Nykaa skin tint, which also gives me like a very light coverage. With the lipstick, I'll just quickly give you a review. So my mom used this and she felt that this is very dry. Now I'm going to be using this. I'm using their 8-hour matte liquid lipstick. I love the color. The color is very good. I'm using the shade 16 Velvet Brick. But yes, I did have like a Maybelline का lipstick पहले का, then I had food और अभी मैंने उसके ऊपर लगाया है, तो I'm तो not feeling that dry. Probably she might be having dry lips, इसलिए लगा होगा. Now I'm going to be using their blush. This is Essence का Blush Crush. I'm using the shade 20 Deep Rose. Now this is a different color from the usual blushes that we get. Extreme, not very bright pink or something like that. So I'm going to be using this. So I love the pigment of this blush. Now if I show it to you in natural light, you'll understand clearly how this looks on me. The pigment that this blush has given me. So you can see it's looking very beautiful. It's not that bright pink kind of blush that we usually get. A reason behind, because मुझे थोड़ा सा अलग shade के साथ I wanted to give it, like I wanted to try other shades as well. Overall, if you had to ask me, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा ये brand. This is available in India. I'm not sure if the blush is available. Neither the skin tint nor the blush is available. Only the liquid lipsticks are available, I guess. But yeah, the brand is quite good. I too loved their lipstick formulation and everything. It's very smooth and it does have like, it's very comfortable to wear. I didn't feel it that dry. So yeah, it's like approved by me. So do check out this brand Essence. It's a European based brand. Quickly go to the mall and I'll film something if it's possible, because ऐसे तो कुछ सामान लेने नहीं जा रहे, बस we're just going to explore the overall area, because that is one of the biggest malls and जितना हमें पता है कि वो एक दिन में cover नहीं होने वाला है, तो we're gonna go like probably next week. But आज हम सिर्फ basics and random explore This is the micellar water in salicylic acid. This is again fragrance free and best for removing makeup. This is also the first time that I'm seeing this product. This is the big bottle and I wanted to first do a trial with a mini bottle and then decide on whether I want this or not. I've tried this one as well, not a big fan. Sorry, this one I've tried, not a big fan. I haven't tried this one and this one. This has vitamin C, so I'm avoiding that. But this is something that I want to give it a shot. Let's see, I might find it in some other pharmacy. But you'll see that there are a lot of products that are not available in the Indian market, which is available over here. Makes you want to, try, but also given that my skin is very sensitive, I am not open to directly going ahead with products. L'Oreal has some micellar water options. If you'll see, this is for removing makeup, but again, there's no mini bottle. The problem is there are no mini bottles. Those I would have given a shot to these as well. We're here right now at Food City and we're here to have some authentic Kerala food. So we've ordered some Kerala parota, we've ordered chicken chettinad, chicken roast, and she has ordered a chicken biryani. So we're gonna have that. We're very tired after coming from the mall. It was very hectic.
The next day.
This is the Grand Avenues, by the way. We're here and it looks so beautiful. Got these sunglasses. This is from Splash. I really like the quality. I'll just show it on how it looks on me. I think it looks good, although the frame is a little bit big for my face, but I think it looks good and it's different from the shades that I have. मुझे तो लग रहा है वो है, थोड़ा सा और लगा के देखते हैं। Now we're walking back. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे. It's too hot. Feels like your skin is burning. But now we're heading towards the parking, and then we'll go home and have some amazing food. We've been walking since 10 minutes और अभी तक हमको गाड़ी नहीं मिली है. And we're still figuring out कि हम कहाँ पहुँचे. I guess अभी इसके आगे शायद गाड़ी है. And किसी को तो बहुत भूख लगी है. बहुत भूख लगी है बिकॉज शी इज़ बिन सेइंग फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम कि उसको विंग स्टॉप का खाना है. तो अभी तो आई एम नॉट इवन एबल टू टॉक, इतना हम चल रहे इस गर्मी में. सो डिस्क्लेमर, यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि अचानक से डेज कैसे शिफ्ट हुए. तो द रीज़न वॉज कि वी वेंट टू एवेन्यूज बैक टू बैक लाइक फॉर 2 days बिकॉज इट इज़ सो बिग दैट यू कांट कवर इट इन 1 day. आई रिमेंबर सेइंग इट इन द व्लॉग एज वेल. तो पहले दिन में यू माइट सी दैट वी वेंट फॉर डिनर एंड उसके बाद अगले दिन में ऐसा कुछ पर्टिकुलर नहीं था, बट वी वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर मोर. वी वेंट देयर, वी एक्सप्लोर्ड, बट देन वी डिडंट गेट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो अगेन दैट इज ऑल्सो एन अब्रप्ट एंडिंग. So that's the reason you might be wondering कि दोनों दिन outfits are different. By the way, those sunglasses also gave me a headache, so I'm not going to be wearing that. Somehow मुझे 2-3 sunglasses है particularly that doesn't work for me. I don't know what is the reason behind, but whenever I wear it, I start getting headaches. And similarly वही मेरे साथ उस दिन भी हुआ, तो I dropped it off. I'm not wearing them anymore. So yeah, this was like a mini tour of the avenues of all of the products that I got, and also the roast chicken that I had made. Yeah, that was it for this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.